turning the page to victory. Bluffton Elementary School is celebrating their first round win in the Beaufort County School District's third annual Battle of the Books. At the elementary level, teams of students from across the district go head-to-head in a fast-paced online quiz, answering questions from 6 chapter books they've spent weeks reading and preparing for.
We kind of met up in the library sometimes, and we would use our computers to do flashcards to each other, and we would help each other kind of understand the books better.
We all kind of talked about the books together. We came to the library and we ate our lunch and studied the books together. We were using Kahoots like that to get us ready to click really fast and stuff.
At McCracken Middle School, the team is working together as they compete in their round of the competition. At the middle school level, teams are tested on 7 books, and students are thinking quickly and racing against the other team to answer each question.
We used whiteboards, and then we said the shape, and that really helped us a lot with the clicker and stuff.
We were really organized, and each one of us put a lot of effort and work into this competition. So we just divided each one of us to have our attention on other books more than others, so we could just divide the questions and everybody can at least know one answer.
The Battle of the Books competition is about more than just reading. It's about strategy, collaboration, and a shared love of books.
I love just reading the books and picturing everything that's happening. It just brings peace, and I love it.
It can make people be interested more on reading, not only seeing as something that's boring, but also something that can be competitive and fun.
Because it gives kids opportunities to read and it gets them excited.
I really like reading, and it's really fun, and this is a good opportunity to meet new people.
About 20 district schools are taking part in the competition. The winning elementary and middle school teams will each be awarded a championship belt.
Everybody got high five.
For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.